Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to delete a category from EasyNote very easily. Just go to the app and then in the top right corner you can see this button. Click on it. Here you can manage categories. So for example, I'd like to delete the school category. I click on the three dots and tap delete. Now the category will be deleted, but my notes won't be deleted from this category. They will be moved to another one, to uncategorized. So I click on remove and we can see that it's been successful. I hope it helps for you. Have a nice day.